worry, baby bear. I'll bring it back. No, I won't.
The only two auto brands in the game so far are both owned by Stellantis. Stellantis back in style at the Super Bowl with two must-see commercials. After skipping the previous edition, the large automotive group has decided to try to win back the world's largest audience with two commercials dedicated to its most iconic brands, Jeep and Ram. The date is for Super Bowl 59, February 9th, 2025. Ram brand will debut a commercial at the 2-minute break of the second quarter,